Ruth from Pep English. Ruth is going to answer a few questions, specific questions in English. Ruth, today I wanted to know why sometimes I say singing and sometimes I say to sing. For example, I say I like to sing, but if I use the verb enjoy, I have to say I enjoy singing. Why is that? Could you explain it?
Yes, in fact here we're talking about gerunds or the infinitive here.
Okay.
So a gerund is basically, it's treated in the same way as a noun, but it looks like a verb. That's why it causes a lot of confusion, because you can see it used as a verb in other ways. So this is one way of using gerunds that we'll talk about today, but there are other ways. So gerunds, as I said, treated like nouns, you can replace a gerund with a noun, always. So that can help you if you're not sure. For example, I think you used the word enjoy.
Yes.
So enjoy is a state verb. A state verb is really about feelings, emotions, or just the way you are. It's something that's fixed as opposed to an action.
Okay.
So for example, I could say I enjoy drinking tea. Or I enjoy tea. And other state verbs would be love, believe, like, that we'll come to afterwards. All those are states. So for example, I think singing is good for your health.
Yes.
Right? Or I think music is healthy.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think smoking should be banned. Sorry. Or I think cigarettes should be banned. So you see, that's a nice way of just to make sure that you're sure. However, with like, now it's interesting that you asked me about like at the beginning, because like is an exception. Like can actually be used with to or the ing gerund form. So you can say I like to sing or I like singing. The only difference is really that if I say I like to sing, it would be more a specific point in time or a routine. For example, I like to sing on Tuesdays. But in general, I like singing.
Okay.
So that's the only difference. And there's a slight difference in the fact that in British English, to sing would sound a little bit more formal, whilst in American English, it would sound less formal. So, you know, that's a detail. I wouldn't worry too much about that one because both options are possible.
Okay, so like I could use either.
Yes.
And to sing or singing. And with state verbs, if I'm in doubt, I can try to replace with a noun.
Yes.
So if it's something I could replace with a noun, I can use the gerund.
Absolutely. And it's a very nice, natural way that we use a lot in English. It is important.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I like reading.
Yes.
I like books.
Exactly. Yes, very good. Absolutely.
Okay, thank you, Ruth. I understand it now.
Great, thank you very much. If you have any questions or areas that you struggle with, leave your comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you.